back at you here with another video. Just picked up our free boat. Well, I guess you could say that I'm a sucker for punishment because we got another one. So what do we have exactly? Freeze plug. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Hopefully that's the only problem with this. I know it was said it was not winterized. So to fix this, I have to take off the motor mount. Got our pieces here. Some of them are okay, like this one, they just need to be cleaned, maybe in some conditioner. And then there's some other portions like this that are cracked up that I'm gonna recover. I'm gonna show you what I did already on some of the other panels. So some of this stuff like this is gonna have to get cleaned up with some Sharpie or something just to make it look less crappy, but
Rewind, come again.
up also doing some high heat JB weld, which didn't work for Goose, so we ended up going for some quick JB, and that's doing its thing. It's not leaking anymore. No idea how long this is gonna last for. Wait to see with me, and could be first trip out, could be the 10th. I'm not totally sure. This is a cold start of the 4 winds. We'll go ahead and put our blower motor on.
Rewind, come again.
Now we're gonna go ahead and start it up. You can see cold start, no temp. Do the classic. Do 3 of these. Start it up, baby. RPMs there, and kick down once it's started to warm up a little bit. You can see everything's functional, good to go. Only thing that doesn't work is your trim. That's always showing all the way up, but it's kind of got to look at it manually. So yeah, there you go.